In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram on PC. This is a quick and straightforward process that will have you messaging and connecting with your contacts in just a few minutes. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, this guide will walk you through every step to get Telegram Desktop installed on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. You can use any browser, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Chrome. Once your browser is open, click on the search bar at the top and type in Telegram. Press enter to search. You'll see several results appear. Look for the official Telegram website, which should be one of the first results. Click on it to open the Telegram homepage. On the Telegram website, you'll see a button that says Get Telegram for Windows. If you're using a Mac, it will automatically detect your operating system and display Get Telegram for Mac instead. The same goes for Linux users. The website is smart enough to recognize which operating system you're running. Click the Get Telegram button that matches your operating system. This will start downloading the Telegram installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file will typically download to your Downloads folder. You can see the download progress at the bottom of your browser window. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or click directly on the downloaded file from your browser. The file will usually be named something like Telegram Setup .exe for Windows or a similar name for Mac and a Linux. Double-click the installer file to open it. A setup window will appear on your screen. If you're on Windows, you may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The Telegram installer will now launch and begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. The installation is very quick and usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, Telegram will automatically open on your PC. You'll be prompted to log in using your phone number. Simply enter your number, confirm the code sent to your mobile device, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Telegram on your PC. Now you can enjoy all the features of Telegram on a larger screen, including messaging, file sharing, and group chats. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials like this.